Welcome to another episode of The Power of Small. Today I'm taking you into my garage. What we've done is converted one half of a two-car garage into a small manufacturing facility. Over here we've got a plastics extrusion machine which can take 40 pounds an hour of plastic, and that could be 100% recycled waste materials ground up and put in, or virgin materials, and convert it into 40 pounds an hour of finished goods. A machine this size, it plugs into 20 amps 220 single phase, the power that you have in your home, and we're able to make 80,000 pounds of finished goods in a single shift in a year. So this small space can literally become the factory of the future. Over here, we've got a bit more powerful machine. It uses only 30 amps of power at 220 volt single phase, just like your home dryer. This type of equipment is truly transformative. It's able to allow us to take 100 pounds an hour of waste plastic or raw virgin resin or any combination thereof and produce over 200,000 pounds a year of finished goods.